Here we go. It's been a while and I need to get out for a ride. All right, here we go. Okay, let's see if I can find Hervey Range Road. Just hoping I haven't passed it already. I think it's Black River just down here. Black River's, I think, where it starts, so. Woohoo! What's this? Hervey Range Road. Here we go. This should be a lot of fun. Although tyres do feel nice. Might even have to give the bike a proper bath. I've been told it's fairly twisty. Well, let's see. I'm not going to push it too hard because I am still recovering from having surgery, so it's my first ride out since I've had that done, and I'm feeling pretty good just at the moment. Looks like we've got a rain shower out there to my left. That'll be right. I'm out for a ride because it's going to rain. Okay, so we're in a motorcycle crash zone and rock slides for the next 4 Ks. Camera's gone wonky again. Okay, so it starts out with this big right hand sweeper, which is, you probably do 200 k's for this corner. I'm only sitting on 100. This left hand sweeper again. There's not any speed recommendations on these corners yet, so truck's crawling down. Still sitting on 100 k's. Oh, some nice views. Oh, here we go, we've got our first 40k corner. Here we go. Won't be taking this too hard. Apparently the corner tightens. Oh yeah, it does. Gets a little bit tighter as you go through it. I'm not pushing it, just taking it easy. Well, I can feel that back tyre moving just a little bit. Actually a nice comfortable temperature now, for me anyway. Being the warm-blooded creature I am, I can handle the slightly cooler weather. hopefully it's not too wet up the range. If it gets twistier, that won't be a lot of fun. Oh, and I'm here at this supposedly historic exhibit, so let's have a look. Don't even know what it is. Might as well stop and look at something. Okay, it's the ceiling of the Hervey Range Rd, Hervey's Range Road, and yeah, okay. I don't know, though. I'm very impressed. The future. Beef roads. Bitumen all the way. Alright. Well, I got to say I'm marvellously underwhelmed. Well, this is definitely the Hervey's Range. I went about 100 k's past it. Done my helmet up. Although it'll stop here, I best not fall off. It's okay. A bit underwhelming, really. We've got a couple of tight curves, or tight-ish. I'm just going to go easy on them. I forgot to do my lid up. Let's try that again. And that's it. pretty underwhelming really, not particularly challenging. Very nice view at the top there though. It's quite a nice view. I sort of was expecting maybe a little bit more. Well, there we go, that's the end of my little test ride. Body's performed quite well, my arm's good. I'm not feeling particularly tired or exhausted from it, which is a really good thing. Yeah, so I'm all keen now for next weekend, when I'm going to head up to the Atherton Tablelands and have a look at Herberton, historic town there. And should be some interesting stuff in that. Probably a bit more interesting than this ride today. Really, yeah, for me, I found it not a particularly challenging ride. For all the people who I've heard raving about Hervey Range Rd, well, yeah, I suppose it's probably the twistiest stuff around this area, but yeah, I'm used to the Victorian Southern Highlands, and yeah, some of the roads through there, places where you got 80, 90 k's of hairpin after hairpin after hairpin. I absolutely love that stuff. Not to say it's a bad ride, it's a good day. I've had a great time. Yeah, that's about it from me. So if you like the stuff, give us a thumbs up, chuck us a like, and if you feel so inclined and you haven't done so already, smack the subscribe button and maybe even leave us a comment. Alright, catch us next time. Bye.